Welcome to this episode of Robert's Creative Chronicles. So today we'll be solving this question, which states that find the value of k if the remainder when px, that is this polynomial, is divided by x minus 3 is 60. So in this question we're going to use the remainder theorem to solve it. So solution. So the remainder theorem states that when a polynomial px is divided by a linear equation or a linear polynomial, let's say x minus c, then the remainder will be equal to p c. That is, when you equate the denominator, or let me say the divisor, when you equate the divisor to 0, you get a value for x. So that value, that is, let me say, x minus c equals to 0, then you get x is equal to c. So what you get, you have to equate the divisor, which is always a linear equation. When you equate it to 0, what you get as your x, c. When you substitute it in this equation, that is why instead of px, I write pc. It's trying to show you that the equation is no longer a function of x, but I have substituted the constant which replaces x into the original polynomial equation. So that when you substitute this value into the equation, you should get the value you are going to get is the remainder. So let's see it in this. So the question says find the value of k if the remainder when this is divided by this is this. So that means when we equate this to 0, x will be equal to 3, and when we substitute 3 into this equation, the value we are going to get should be this, which is the remainder. So now we will say x minus 3 is equal to 0. So x is equal to 3. So these 3 is our c here. Then now, the polynomial px is what? Is 2x raised to the power of 4 plus kx cubed minus 11x squared plus 4x plus 12. So this is the equation. So this is the equation in terms of x. Now, pc. So now pc now will be equals to what? p3, because c is our 3, the constant. So I'm trying to explain this to you. So, but you don't need to write this. So after this one, you move straight to and say p3. So from the remainder theorem, pc is p3. So after this, you can move straight to the third step. So p3 now will be equal to, you substitute the value into it. So it becomes what? But before we substitute it, this p3 now into this will definitely give you 60. Because according to the remainder theorem, if we substitute this into it, it will give us the value for the remainder. And from the equation, the remainder from the equation is 60. So this should give us 60. Now we can substitute it. So any value we get, we equate it to 60. So it will be 2, 3 raised to the power of 4 plus k, 3 raised to the power of 3 minus 11, 3 squared plus 4, 3 plus 12. So now let's put this inside the calculator. Two raised to the power of 3 okay, we'll leave this one since there's k here. So we'll go straight to minus 11, 3 squared plus 4 times 3 plus 12. 87. So the value is 87. 87. This 3 cube is what? This 3 cube is 27. So plus 27k. Because this 3 cube raised to the power of 3 is 27. You can see it. 3, 27. So now What is P3 before? P3 is 60. So this 87 plus 27 will be equated to 60. So you say 60 is equals to 87 plus 27k. And then we correct right times. This will come here to be what? 60 minus 87 is equals to 27k. What's 60 minus 87? 60 minus 87 is minus 27. So this is minus 27 equals to, then this becomes 27k. 27k. So now we divide both sides by 27. This becomes negative 1 is equals to k. So k is equals to negative 1. So now the value of k, if the remainder is 60, when this polynomial is divided by this polynomial, is negative 1. From the calculation, it's negative 1. So that's it. I hope you understood this episode. If you have any question, feel free to contact me using my WhatsApp or email within the description below, or you can write them in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell to get notified as soon as I drop a new video. Thanks.